We're going to upgrade our EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X system with the EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3 with an extra component that is going to add extremely good functionality for backup power source. I'll talk about this in a little bit, but I do want to just illustrate how amazing this system is, especially if you're using it as a home backup situation in terms of a storm. There's actually 6 reasons why this is so perfect. Let's talk about reason number 1. Reason number 1 is easy. This thing has 32 circuits. Now, my circuits are still stickered over here. I need to label them better. I'm only using 16 circuits, but it has up to 32 circuits, and this is a smart home panel, so it's able to get power from the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X or the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra. You can combine them, like we have 2 right here, Delta Pro Ultra X coming in, Delta Pro Ultra going in, and you can have multiple units. You can combine and mix and match. Each Delta Pro Ultra X has 12 kilowatt of power that can go in to feed the home. So if you have 2 of them, that's 24 kilowatt of power to feed your home. If you have 3 of them, that is 36 kilowatt of power that can feed your home. Now, the Delta Pro Ultra is only 7.2 kilowatt, but you can combine, mix and match, or just get the Delta Pro Ultra X and get multiple ones if you want more power. And each Delta Pro Ultra X can handle up to 10 batteries. Each battery is 6 kilowatt hour, so that means each Delta Pro Ultra X has a total capacity of 60 kilowatt hour. So if you combine 3 of them, that's 180 kilowatt of capacity. So it's able to store a lot of power, and it's able to deliver a lot of power to fully power your home up to 36 kilowatt of power. Who needs more than 36 kilowatt power? This thing is amazing. And during the time when there is good amount of sun, it can get power from the solar to feed into this unit right here that will feed into the Delta Pro Ultra X. Up to 10 kilowatt of power from solar can be fed into each Delta Pro Ultra X. Amazing capability. So that's number 1, why these are great. So number 2, I mean, this is great that it can do all that, right? But what use is it if when you have a power outage, you have to go back here and flip a switch, for example, for the power to switch over to the battery? No. We don't do a switch. This is not a switch system anymore. This is all automatic. In fact, it is 20 milliseconds. It's actually less than 20 milliseconds to switch over, whether you want to go from power from the battery to your home or from the grid to your home. It's within 20 milliseconds. That means the moment that you have no grid power, boom, battery kicks in and you don't even notice a thing. You might see the light flicker for a split second, but that's about it. All your sensitive electronics will stay on and will be completely unbothered. Your modem, your router, your sensitive machines, including computers, no problem. That's why this is such a good backup system, because if you're using computers and all those electronic storage system, like a network attached storage system, they do not stop. Also, if you have security camera that's storing data into an NVR, no problem, because all your sensitive electronics will go unnoticed when it switches over from grid power, boom, no grid power to battery, no problem. That's why it's so good, because in the storm, you won't even notice a thing, and because of the large amount of capacity, it'll be able to power your home for a good amount of time, and because of the high capacity of output, 36 kilowatt of power output, you could run pretty much any appliance as if you're connected to the grid. Amazing. Number 3, why it's such a good home backup solution. Even though you have a large amount of capacity and you have a lot of power, it doesn't mean much if you can't smartly, intelligently use that. What I mean is, okay, you have 180 kilowatt hour capacity, but what if you start using up all the power? What if you are in a power outage for a week? Well, that's why it's so smart. It can decide for you, well, you program it ahead of time. If it's at 100% capacity, I want to have all my circuits available. Once I start going down to maybe 70%, turn off these other circuits that I don't need. When it's at 40%, turn off other more circuits. When it's at 20%, I only want my absolute critical load on. That way, I'm not wasting power. I'm really using that last bit of power. So it's very smart. Or if you know you're gonna have a power outage for a long time, you can just select off all your non-essential circuits all through the app, or you can even go here and just switch them off. But you have full control, and you'll be able to optimize how much power is being drawn for your home based on the circuits you have online. So really smart control in terms of loads and circuits, and automatically dialing down the circuits you don't need ahead of time or manually on demand. Really awesome. Number 4, why this is an amazing home backup power solution is Storm Guard, which is a feature where this EcoFlow system is connected to the internet. It can find out if there is a storm coming, and when there is a storm coming, you can set this thing to charge to 100% no matter what. I don't care if you set it up for scheduling to optimize time of use, or to optimize for solar input, or optimize for other type of power input. No, if Storm Guard detects that a storm is coming, you can tell it to override all the settings and fully charge it to 100%. That way, when a storm is coming, you're maximizing the storage in the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X and the Smart Home Panel 3, which is critical because you don't know how long the power outage will be, but you will have the most power stored away. I love it. Very intelligent feature that is built in and included with the Smart Home Panel 3 when connected to the Delta Pro Ultra X or Delta Pro Ultra. It's awesome. Number 5 is the app, Smart Home Monitoring and Integration. So if you look closely at this app right here, let's just zoom in and take a look at this app. So this app tells me so much information. Right now, I'm discharging from the battery to power my home. 3.3 kilowatt hour of my home is using power, and it's all being powered by the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X and Delta Pro Ultra right now because they're both being used. One is being used 2.4 kilowatt and one is using 800 watt to make sure that we have enough power for our home. We're not using power from the grid because right now, at this time of day, power is expensive, so we are using power that we charged the battery with earlier when power was cheaper. And you have all this information about different circuits, for example, right there, your different circuits, you can turn on and off different circuits. You can see how we're using power, like for example today, like yesterday we were charged up, and during this time when power was expensive, we used the battery. Now if we have more batteries, we can use it all the way. So for days, like for example, like this day right here, we optimized the battery because we didn't use power from the grid when power was expensive. Really good information. This app right here allows you to integrate with your EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3, and it allows you to integrate with the Delta Pro Ultra X to customize settings, use Storm Guard, all the feature. It's all within the app. Really smart app that gives you real-time monitoring of your performance of the battery, the wattage, the capacity, everything. Really, really good app to help you understand how you're maximizing your home backup solution and saving money, and on top of that, being able to prepare yourself for when there's a storm. Really awesome app, amazing. Number 6 is pretty much the protection from sensitive electronics, because the power coming out of this system is very clean power going into your home. It's not what they call dirty power from generators that are using gasoline or propane generator. Those are dirty sine wave power that's not healthy for sensitive electronic. This is pulling power from a very clean power source, the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X or the Delta Pro Ultra here. And even if you're pulling power in from gas generator or a propane generator, it will filter through, go in here, charge the battery, and then from the battery, power your home. Why is that important? Because clean power protects all your sensitive electronics from shortages and burnouts or problems, because clean power is what those electronics, especially the sensitive one, requires and need. This delivers it. There are many horror stories from people using dirty power to power their modems, their network attached storage, their sensitive computers, and they have burnout. After a while, those electronics start smoking because like literally they're starting to smell bad because all the capacitor, all the electronics, they can't handle the dirty sine wave of power coming in. This provides you clean power. And when you switch over, it's within 20 milliseconds from battery to grid to grid to battery. That way, your electronics don't even know that the power switch over because it's all good sine wave power, whether it's coming from the grid or coming from the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X or Delta Pro Ultra. Love it. Really awesome. So to summarize, whether the storm is a long storm, a couple of days, or a short outage like a couple of hours, you're covered and your sensitive electronics stay online without any problems. You can get power from the sun, you can get power from gas or propane generators, and you're probably wondering how, right? So I'll get to that in one bit, but all in all, this is an amazing system. You have the capability of being able to monitor the storms and charging this 100% when there's a storm. So you're ready. You are ready to tackle the storms with this EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X and Delta Pro Ultra system with the Smart Home Panel 3. So now we finally get to this. So we're unboxing a new product today. And what is this product? Let me show you right now. So let's unbox this right now. I'll close this door and we'll take a look at what we have in here. So this is something that I'm very excited about because it's designed for the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X. Now it will work on the Delta Pro Ultra, but it's really designed for the Delta Pro Ultra X. And basically, this adds a new functionality that will improve our ability to use this system as a home backup solution when there is a storm. So this is the unit right here. We got some mounted hardware here. Let's put that to the side. Let's open this up right here. And this is the unit right there. Wow, there is a massive heat sink on this thing. And let me show you what it looks like from the front because this is the back. And here is the front of the unit. This is the EcoFlow Rectifier that works with the Delta Pro Ultra X. This box right here, this thing is an amazing piece of equipment. So let me explain how this works. So before, what we had is this box, and this is what comes with the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X. And this box has all this stuff right here. Let me put this over to the side. So this box is your solar that goes into the Delta Pro Ultra X. But that's just solar. This box allows you to have a generator input. That's the big wow factor because now, not only can I charge my Delta Pro Ultra X and the batteries from solar, which is coming in from here, or previously it was coming in from here, but now instead of going there, it will go in here. So I can still get the power in from solar, and then this connects over here to the Delta Pro Ultra X. So I can charge the battery from solar, I can charge it from the grid, but now I can also charge it from a generator. Now that could be any kind of generator. It can be a car that provides power in. It can be another battery that powers in. It can be a gasoline generator that connects in. It could be a propane generator that powers it in. So basically, now, even if there is no power from the grid and no power from the sun, I can still get the generator input and charge my Delta Pro Ultra X. It's amazing. This thing is awesome. So that's pretty much it. I'm super excited. This system has been performing so well, but now we're going to add the rectifier system to our EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X and Smart Home Panel 3 and have more capability, mainly getting power from the generator. So when we don't have power from the sun and we don't have power from the grid, we can still charge up our battery with clean sine wave power because going through here and going through the Delta Pro Ultra X, it will then put the power into the battery, and then when you take the power from this unit to power the home, it will be clean sine wave power, and that is amazing. So super excited. This is the unboxing here, and we're probably going to add more batteries because if you notice from our graph earlier, we have been depleting our power before the end of the day. Hang on, let me explain that one more time before we wrap up this video because it's a really important reason why we're adding more batteries to our system. So looking at this data, what's good and what's not good. So a couple of days back, this is not good because we have expensive power at this time of day and we want to use our battery. This graph shows that we're pulling from the grid these last few hours of the day. That means we didn't have enough battery. This is perfect right here. because we didn't have to pull more power from the grid. We didn't use too much power, so we had enough battery to last us through the night when power was expensive. And then again here, we still needed to use grid power during the night at the end when it was still expensive because we didn't have enough battery. So basically, I want every day to look just like this, where we are using power from the grid when the power is cheap, and when it's expensive, we're all battery powered. So adding maybe 2 more batteries will be allowing us to be sufficient using time of use to optimize the system for saving money just by pulling power from the grid. Anyway, I'm super excited. If you have any questions, let me know. But this system build out is so exciting, especially now with the generator input, and we're going to add more battery. The EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X with the Smart Home Panel 3 and combined with the older Delta Pro Ultra, this is amazing. Oh yeah.